Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix microphone or camera is not allowed, or you will see this option. Open up your TikTok and click on add, and you can see over here this error occurring on my TikTok. So I want to allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone. So in this video, I will show you how you can do it. Go back to your home page and go to settings, and then you have to simply scroll all the way down until you see this app settings at the bottom. Click on that, and then you have to simply search over here TikTok, and then click on that TikTok app, and then you will come in this page, and you can see over here allow TikTok to access. In this you will see the fourth and fifth option over here, microphone and camera. When you turn this toggle on, you will allow to speak in mic, or you can record videos or click pictures in TikTok. So like that, I have turned this on, and whenever I go to my TikTok app and click on add new or plus icon, you will see, as you can see over here, this is allowed. So whenever I click on filters or record, so whenever I clicked on filters and click on the camera button, or press on it, so this gonna be record my video or as well my audio in here. Press on it, so this gonna be record my video, your microphone and camera in TikTok. It's like that, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.